Good morning students. Today we are going to see 1.5 the necklace part 1 workshop. Question number 1. Read each of the following sentences aloud. Write who said it and to whom. Option A. Look, here's something for you. Mathilde's husband said to Mathilde. B. Why the dress you go to the theatre in? Mathilde's husband said to Mathilde. Option number C. I would rather not go to the party. Mathilde said to her husband. Option D. Choose, my dear. Madame Forestier said to Mathilde. Option E. You have nothing else. Mathilde said to Madame Forestier. Option F. Would you lend me this, just this? Mathilde said to Madame Forestier. Option G. What? How? That's impossible. Mathilde's husband said to Mathilde. Question number 2. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Mathilde. 1. Mathilde was beautiful and so she wanted to marry an aristocrat. Answer is, Mathilde wished that her beauty would guarantee that she would marry a rich aristocrat. I think it was unreasonable and greedy on her part. Question number 2. Mathilde was sad because she did not get any luxuries. Answer. Mathilde was so convinced that she was meant to be rich that she detested her real life. I think she should have been more content with her life. Next thought. Mathilde felt that her house was shabby and poorly furnished. Answer. Mathilde dreamt of living in a palatial mansion with vast rooms and therefore hated her comparatively small and shabby house. I think it is alright to desire a better lifestyle, but at the same time, one should not be discontent with what we have. Next thought. Mathilde wanted other people to envy her. Mathilde wanted to be the center of attraction and wished that others would be attracted to her and would envy her. According to me, this was a negative attitude as one should not be bothered about other people's opinion, especially desiring envy. Next thought. Mathilde was not happy to see the invitation. Answer. Mathilde wanted to be the center of attraction at the event and wanted to be so well dressed that she would be the most sought after. I believe that it was superficial. True beauty lies within the one can look good in simple clothes too. Next thought. Mathilde wanted a new dress for herself. Answer. I think Mathilde was quite selfish not to consider that her husband had been saving money to buy a hunting gun and yet she wanted it to buy a new dress for just one party. Next thought. Mathilde borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend and wore it to the party. Answer. Mathilde wanted to look good at all cost and therefore did not think twice before borrowing a necklace from her friend. She should have instead managed with what she had. Next thought. Mathilde lost the necklace. Answer. Mathilde was so engrossed in being a center of attraction at the party that she carelessly didn't notice the loss of the necklace. Question number next. Prepare a formal invitation using the following format. Mr. and Mrs. Kunal Khanna request the pleasure of your company on the occasion of the 25th anniversary of their wedding on Wednesday, 10th August 2017. Venue, Nicobal Hall, Grant Road, Bandra. Time 9 pm onwards. The dress code for the evening is red for the ladies and black for the gentlemen. Next question, read the following. The necklace, an error, another woman, one evening, all these things, her husband. In all these phrases, we see some words used before the nouns. They specify or make it clear what noun we are talking about. These words that are used at the beginning of a noun phrase are known as determiners. Determiners include articles, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, quantifiers, numerals, etc. Write your phrases using each type of determiner. Examples of articles: 1. The book, an elephant. 2. Possessive determiner. Examples: my shirt, your car. 3. Demonstrative determiners. Examples are these sweets, those moments. Next one, quantifiers. Examples are many students, few benches. Next determiner is numerals. Examples are 3 doors, 7 horses, etc. In this way, we have seen today the workshop of the necklace. Students, you have to write all questions and answers in your classwork. Thank you.